America runs on Dunkin'. But what does that really mean? For many, it's a daily ritual, a comforting routine that starts with a fresh, warm donut and a cup of coffee. Dunkin' Donuts has become synonymous with morning routines and quick, delicious treats. A donut empire. Dunkin' Donuts is a household name. With over 12,000 locations in 46 countries, it's hard to find a place where Dunkin' Donuts hasn't made its mark. From bustling city streets to quiet suburban neighborhoods, their presence is undeniable. They're everywhere. Millions of people crave their donuts every day. Whether it's a classic glazed, a chocolate frosted, or a seasonal favorite, Dunkin' Donuts has something for everyone. The variety and consistency keep customers coming back for more. But have you ever wondered how they make so many donuts so fast? The scale of their operations is mind-boggling. Behind every delicious donut is a sophisticated process that ensures quality and efficiency. It's a fascinating process. Dunkin' Donuts uses modern technology. From automated mixers to high-speed fryers, every step is optimized for speed and precision. This technology allows them to produce thousands of donuts every hour without compromising on taste or quality. This ensures each donut is perfect. The glazing, the filling, the decoration, everything is done with meticulous attention to detail. It's this commitment to perfection that sets Dunkin' Donuts apart from the competition. Every bite is consistent with the last. Whether you're in New York or Tokyo, you can expect the same delicious experience. This consistency is a key part of their global appeal. This isn't your grandma's kitchen baking. This is mass production. But it's mass production with a heart. Every donut is made with the same care and attention as if it were baked at home. We're talking efficiency and precision. The entire process is a well-oiled machine, designed to deliver fresh, delicious donuts to customers around the world. It's a blend of art and science, tradition and innovation. Let's go behind the scenes. Let's take a closer look at the journey of a Dunkin' Donut, from raw ingredients to the final, mouth-watering product. It's a journey that combines cutting-edge technology with time-honored techniques. Let's see how Dunkin' Donuts makes their donuts. From the mixing of the dough to the final inspection, every step is crucial. It's a process that ensures every donut meets the high standards that Dunkin' Donuts is known for. So next time you enjoy a Dunkin' Donut, you'll know the incredible journey it took to get to you. Mass production is about speed. It's also about consistency. Every donut must look and taste the same. Dunkin' Donuts achieves this with a streamlined process. Imagine a carefully choreographed dance. Ingredients move along a conveyor belt, machines do their part at each stage. Human workers oversee the operation, they ensure everything runs smoothly. This is the magic of the assembly line. It's a symphony of technology and human expertise. The result? Millions of delicious, identical donuts. It all starts with simple ingredients: flour, sugar, yeast, and other secret ingredients. These are carefully measured with precision. Precision is key for consistent taste and quality. These ingredients are added to giant mixers. These aren't your kitchen mixers. These are industrial-sized machines. They mix huge batches of dough efficiently. The mixing process is crucial for texture. It develops the gluten in the flour. This gives the donuts their signature chewiness and texture. The dough is then ready for the next stage of preparation. It's time to shape those iconic rings of deliciousness. The dough is no longer a shapeless mass, it's time to become a donut. This is where technology shines. Automated machines cut the dough. They create those perfect donut shapes. Imagine a giant cookie cutter, but instead of cookies, it punches out donuts. These machines are incredibly precise. They ensure every donut is uniform in size and shape. This isn't just about aesthetics. Uniformity ensures even cooking. It guarantees every donut is cooked to perfection. No raw centers, just delicious, doughy goodness. Section 5, the fry zone, golden perfection. Now comes the fun part, frying. This is where the magic happens. The dough, which has been carefully prepared and cut into perfect circles, is now ready to be transformed. As the donuts are gently lowered into the hot oil, they begin their journey to becoming the delicious treats we all know and love. The cut donuts take a bath of hot, bubbling oil. This isn't just any bath, it's a meticulously controlled environment where every second counts. The oil is heated to the perfect temperature to ensure that the donuts cook evenly and develop that signature golden brown color. A bath of hot, bubbling oil. The oil's temperature is crucial. Too hot, and the donuts will burn on the outside while remaining raw inside. Too cool, and they'll absorb too much oil, becoming greasy and unappetizing. It's a delicate balance that requires precision and expertise. This is a carefully controlled process. Temperature is key. The industrial fryers used by Dunkin Donuts are equipped with advanced temperature control systems. These systems ensure that the oil remains at a consistent temperature throughout the frying process, guaranteeing that each donut is cooked to perfection. Dunkin Donuts uses special frying systems. These systems are designed to handle large batches of donuts, ensuring that each one is cooked evenly. The fryers are equipped with features that allow for precise control over the frying time and temperature, ensuring that every donut meets the high standards of quality that Dunkin Donuts is known for. These systems maintain a consistent oil temperature. This ensures even cooking. Consistency is key in the world of donut making. By maintaining a steady temperature, the fryers ensure that each donut is cooked evenly, resulting in a uniform texture and flavor. It gives the donuts their beautiful golden brown color. This color is a sign of a perfectly fried donut. It's the result of the Maillard reaction, a chemical process that occurs when the sugars in the dough react with the proteins, creating a complex and delicious flavor profile. The frying process isn't just about cooking, it's about creating a sensory experience. The sight of the donuts turning golden brown, the sound of the bubbling oil, and the aroma that fills the air all contribute to the overall experience of enjoying a freshly fried donut. It also gives the donuts their flavor. The hot oil caramelizes the sugars in the dough, creating a rich, sweet flavor that is unique to fried donuts. This caramelization process is what gives the donuts their distinctive taste and makes them so irresistible. The hot oil caramelizes the sugars in the dough. This process not only enhances the flavor, but also contributes to the texture of the donuts. The caramelized sugars create a slightly crispy exterior that contrasts beautifully with the soft, fluffy interior. This creates that irresistible aroma. The smell of freshly fried donuts is enough to make anyone's mouth water. It's a combination of the caramelized sugars, the fried dough, and the subtle hints of vanilla and spices that make up the donut batter. The one that makes you crave a Dunkin' Donuts donut? It's this combination of sight, sound, smell, and taste that makes the experience of enjoying a Dunkin' Donuts donut so special. From the moment the donuts are lowered into the hot oil to the first bite, it's a journey of sensory delight. Section 6: Glazing and Sprinkling, the finishing touches. This is the moment where the donuts truly come to life, transforming from simple fried dough into delightful treats that bring joy to everyone who tastes them. Fresh from the fryer, the donuts are still hot. The heat is crucial as it helps the glaze adhere perfectly, creating that irresistible first bite. The steam rising from the tray is a testament to their freshness. They're ready for their finishing touches. This is where the artistry begins. Each worker plays a vital role in ensuring that every donut is coated to perfection. This is where the magic happens. The glaze is applied with precision, creating a smooth, glossy finish that is both visually appealing and delicious. The time-lapse shows the meticulous care taken in decorating each donut. Glazes, icings, and sprinkles are added. Each donut is dipped into a variety of icings from classic vanilla to rich chocolate, and then adorned with sprinkles that add a burst of color and texture. Dunkin' Donuts has a variety of flavors. From traditional favorites like glazed and chocolate to innovative creations like maple bacon and matcha, there's something for everyone. Each donut gets its signature topping, whether it's a drizzle of caramel, a sprinkle of nuts, or a dusting of powdered sugar. These toppings add the final touch that makes each donut unique. Glazing machines coat the donuts evenly. These machines ensure that every donut receives a consistent layer of glaze, which is essential for both taste and appearance. Sprinkles are added in perfect proportions. The machines are calibrated to add just the right amount of sprinkles, ensuring that each bite is a perfect balance of flavors and textures. This is where artistry meets automation. The machines ensure consistency. While the machines handle the bulk of the work, the human touch is still essential for those final creative flourishes. But the variety of toppings allows for creativity. Workers can experiment with different combinations, creating new and exciting flavors that keep customers coming back for more. It's the final step in transforming simple dough into delicious donuts. Each finished donut is a testament to the skill and creativity of the bakers, ready to be enjoyed by donut lovers everywhere. Section 7. From factory to box packaging and quality control, the donuts are ready. They're glazed, sprinkled, and smelling delicious. Now it's time to package them. This is the final step before they reach the consumer. Dunkin Donuts uses specialized packaging. It keeps the donuts fresh. It also prevents damage during transportation. Each donut is carefully placed in its box. Quality control is paramount. Each donut is inspected before packaging. They're checking for size, shape, and color. Only perfect donuts make it into the box. Section 8. The future of donuts, technology and taste. Dunkin Donuts process is a marvel. It combines technology and human expertise. The result is millions of donuts. Each one is delicious and consistent. Technology plays a vital role. It ensures efficiency and consistency, but it also allows for innovation. New flavors, shapes, and toppings are constantly being developed. The future of donuts is bright. Technology will continue to play a role. But one thing will always remain the same: the delicious taste of a Dunkin' Donuts donut.